Welcome to Scorpion Presents. Subscribe my channel to get funny videos and latest technology videos. Click on bell icon to get notifications of the channel update. Hi friends. In this video, I am going to tell you how to record secret video in your phone. I will tell you one application, friends. You can download it from Play Store. From that application, you can record video like hidden camera. No one can identify that video is recording from your phone, so that you can safeguard your video like that. And friends, you can record unlimited duration and you can set scheduled video recording. And also friends, for safeguarding your recorded video and put it like private, you can set passcode for that application also. Friends, first go to Play Store. There search SVR. Friends, means secret video recorder. First application, friends. You can observe the logo and open that application and install that application. I have already installed that application, friends. Just open it. And friends, I have already told that you can set passcode for making that application very private. You can set scheduled time for recording, and also friends, you have many settings for recording video. Friends, we can also see the two application logos after installing the secret video recorder application. They are SVR settings for changing any settings and SVR quick record. Just tap on that application, recording will automatically start, and if you want to stop the recording, just tap on that application, recording will stop. But friends, we have another one important settings that will not show that you have installed that SVR application. We can change this application logo from settings. Just go to settings. Friends, click on settings button. After opening settings, friends, you can set video camera back or front and video quality and recording duration no limit. I have set no limit, and video orientation, and also storage like internal storage or SD card, etc. And if you are recording any video in night time, you can set night vision. And also friends, if you want to split your videos for different durations, you can set that also. And you can just friends turn off all the notifications and turn off shutter sound method. Select method 2, friends, and for setting password. And friends, one more important settings is that quick records icon. Friends, you can set my book, my email. This settings, friends, is very important for keep this application very secret. Friends, when you set my book, my email, the SVR quick record icon will change it like this. My book, I am setting for my book. And friends, go back, and friends, you can observe if you open this application, you can also that will not shown in recent view also. And friends, you can see I have changed that SVR quick record icon like my book. If you tap on that my book, automatically you can see do not disturb icon symbol. That means video recording is started. If you tap again, automatically video recording will stop. You can hide these SVR settings from your launcher. Friends, you can see I have recorded 2 video during your screen during this video. Like this, friends, you can record any video very secretly. Thank you friends, and if you like this video, please click on like button and share this video for your friends. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe